How to make Facebook like public. So if you set your Facebook likes to private so that no one can easily see what you like on Facebook or the pages you follow on Facebook, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily make your Facebook like visible to everyone on Facebook. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do when you want to make your Facebook like public or to unprivate your Facebook like is open the Facebook app on your phone. Once open the Facebook app, click on your profile icon just beside what's on your mind. There you go. Now locate the three dots beside edit profile and click on that. You'll be taken to your Facebook profile settings. On the Facebook profile settings, locate follow settings and click on that. Then hang on. Scroll down the page once you are on the followers and public content page until you get to who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Click on the drop menu on it and then select see all. This will open all the audience you can select. Now locate public and click on that. Then once you select it public, this is going to be saved automatically. Then hit the back button. So that is basically how to make Facebook like public. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.